You won't believe what we're gonna go do. Wow, this is heavy. I got this new device. These are all tests for Alaska. Forget. But first we need beer. So in British Columbia, they don't sell alcohol at convenience stores or grocery stores or Costco. What? Oh, we do weed now? Okay, now we do weed. So this is the weed stop. Ta-da! Weed is legal in Canada, British Columbia, every province. It's a bit like province and states in the US. Here in Canada, it's the whole entire country. Not just like a few provinces. Are we ready to resume? Yeah, looking for something specific. I could have gone full on natural and taking the actual like not done version, but that would have been way too complicated. So I've decided I was gonna cut short because this is the very first time I'm gonna do this. Oh great, money from my book. And they're on special. Now we go pay. Tell me if we drop something, huh? Canada goose are awful. They everywhere and it's really gross.
Where do you want us, Piper? We are birds, Piper. Think about that, Piper.
And I hate them. And we should eat them. But they eat so you shouldn't eat them. Yeah, that's Canada 101 for you. This. Oh, hey, a drink. Hello. Master, you want a drink? Cheers. I can put it on here. Ta-da! $8,000 tray. Take that, Tim Cook. I don't want to do the review right now, so you're gonna have to wait. I'm gonna get everything out. What's that? What's that? This is my battery pack. This spray actually has only spray in it, which is really good. Because if you look at Pam, that thing has rocket fuel in it or something. And now, this is what we're gonna do. It's brand new. Look at this. I only took it off of the box because, I mean, I wasn't gonna do the whole box in the park thing. But I've never wanted to use an air fryer. No, never. And now I've decided that since I'm doing road tripping, it's a great thing to have. I never, ever tried it. So you're gonna be the witness of this. Just like the kings and queens when, you know, they had to consume their marriage back in the day. People were witnessing it. This can be the same thing. I'm gonna peel with you guys in a moment. I got my ketchup, I got my fries, I got my spray. This is pretty much all I need. And now, I know, right? You guys were like, whoa, we weren't expecting all of this adventure. Well, it's happening. Lire l'avertissement au dos. Avertissement, c'est chaud. This is the hot crisper plate. And then, from so far what I've been reading, yeah, see, it's off. So I don't get electrocuted. From what I've been reading, the main point is that you don't want to overstack the basket. See? It even says it here. Air fryer. Air fryer instruction. That's how many people have air fryers. It says it here. 350 Fahrenheit. Fill the basket halfway with frozen product. We don't know if it's potatoes. Air fryer for 12 to 13 minutes. Slide the basket out and shake product halfway through to ensure even cooking. Okay, perfect. So let's put this at 360. That I can do. And then 15 minutes. Oh, it's outputting. Okay. Output 911 watts. So that's kind of substantial. Yeah, wow. We have so far an hour of battery from this thing. So we have 1 hour of air fryer at that temperature. That I never tried. I never ate anything out of an air fryer, not even at friends' place because I don't have friends. I brought ketchup, Heinz of course. I know some of you guys are French because it's Canadian, but quite frankly, Heinz is just better, so stop whining. So I've heard that we need to put some, then some fries, then some, and then we put it in. We have heated this thing for 5 minutes, and so far we lost 8% of our battery. Yeah, this is a lot for eating in the air fryer, but at the same time, what are you willing to do for fries, you know? A little bit of push-push. I'll put the push-push far away because I don't want to. Oh wow, this is a jet of push-push. This is, a lot of guys would be jealous of this. Now, not too much. Oops. How much is not too much? Okay, so this is the amount. You can always make more later, don't freak out. Well, unless you don't have no more battery. Oh, no, I forgot. Need to put push-push on it too. Did you see the pee-pee? Okay. No, it's cool. Bam. Now, let's see how this goes. Okay, it lost all of its settings, so we need 360. And then we need it for 13 minutes. So 360, that's good. Then 13 minutes, but we have to shake in the middle. So let's do a full 7 minutes, and then let's do another 6 minutes after. Yeah, I'm good at math. 92%. Now it's outputting 906 watts. The cool thing about the air fryer though, that I just looked at, when it goes to its temperature, then it stops. So it outputs 0 or 14 watts, and then it gives, or it wants juice again when it's cold. Okay, this is kind of super stressful, guys, because we have 80% of the battery left, and we're a bit more than halfway through the fries. Now I need to get them out of here, shake them, and put them back in. They look good though. A lot of oil, I have to say, a lot of oil. For another, it sucks a little bit that I keep on having to do this again. And now for 6 minutes. I mean, there's no way that I would be able to cook 3 meals a day with this battery pack. I mean, I remember these guys like Cara and Nate, I think they're called, and they used their air fryer to do samosas, and it took 2% of their Cybertruck battery for 20 minutes of air fryer. So imagine this small battery. This is not a Cybertruck battery. So this is taking so far 20%. I'm guessing it's gonna go close to 70. Just for one tiny basket of fries. And we're gonna get slimmer. Okay, almost ready. Total cost. Whoa, 74% battery total cost. And air fryer. This is exactly like Weight Watchers, but not for the reasons you think. It's because this is the amount of fries it made. And look at all this oil. There's a little bit of oil in the bottom. Okay, let's shake it up. Put this back like so. If you eat less, it's better for you, right? They look crispy. They look golden. I got my ketchup here. We're gonna do a test to see if it's as good as it seems. Because I mean, Master's fries are really good. It got excited. Okay. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, that one was good. That one was more crunchy. What do you think?
It's good.
It's better than oven. It's better than the oven. Yeah, she wants some fries. Better than the oven? Better than the deep fryer? Well, this one is nice.
I think it's really nice.
Not better than deep fryer, but better than oven for sure.
We need salt.
Yeah, we would need to have a little bit of salt on hand. That would have been better.
Okay.
And then maybe a little bit longer. A little bit, if you like your fries more golden, a little
Maybe
more.
2-3 minutes more.
Yeah, they're hot though. They're hot. They crunch. I think I put too much oil. I could have just put them in that way. Because these fries, if you're not doing your home fries, they already have oil in them when you buy them. So that was maybe a little bit too much oil, and that's what made it less crispy. We still have butter. We can always try more. This is a success. According to my scientific calculations, if we took about 26% of the battery for one dish like this of fries, we can go for 3 like this, approximately. But we want to cook them a little bit more. So let's do 2. That's the problem. Then you just eat fries. No protein, no vegetables, no nothing else. So this might be enough. And then do something else. Broccoli, salmon, I don't know. But something else. I have to say, it's pretty good. For the first experience, and I have not like tried all the button and the specs on there. If you have an air fryer, and you're one of these people, make sure you drop a comment. I want to know, how do you use this baby? Yeah, are there some special tricks, some magic stuff that I need to do to my air fryer? Because what I'm thinking is, it's gonna be most certainly for fries and probably special meats, and then I'll use the stovetop for the rest. Yeah. Oh yes, tailgate cheeseburgers. That's gonna need a lot of things, like the meat, and then the fries, and then also the buns. Yeah, so it's very complex. Yeah, before we go to Alaska, we need to test the cheeseburgers. Okay, so I think that's good for this, right? Yeah. Make sure you join, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on all of your notifications to make sure that you are notified, because YouTube hides me from the notifications. I'll see you in the next one.